In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method on GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your GoDaddy account to manage your billing options confidently and securely. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your GoDaddy account in a desktop browser. It helps to have a stable internet connection and your billing details nearby, especially if you plan to review or update anything once you get to the right screen. The interface may look slightly different depending on your region or recent updates, but the navigation we'll cover is consistent. Start on your GoDaddy dashboard. Look to the upper right corner of the page for your profile icon. It may appear as your initials, a small avatar, or a circle with a silhouette. Click that icon to open the account menu. If you manage multiple profiles or organizations, this menu is also where you can quickly confirm you're working in the correct account. If the menu doesn't open on the first try, give the page a quick refresh and try again. From the Profile menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to your central profile area, where GoDaddy groups together personal information, security preferences, and billing details. It's a good place to revisit from time to time to confirm your contact info and security options are current, especially if you've recently changed email addresses, moved offices, or updated any business details tied to invoices. On the Account Settings page, select Payment Methods. This section is dedicated to how you pay for GoDaddy products and renewals. Think of it as your wallet on file. Here's where you view the methods that are already associated with your account and where you manage them going forward. You'll typically see options that support major credit or debit cards and, in some regions, additional services. Availability can vary by country, so what you see may differ slightly based on your location. Once you're in Payment Methods, take a moment to review what's listed. Make sure the billing address matches the information your bank has on file, and confirm that the primary payment option you intend to use is clearly identified. If you work within a team or a company, align with your finance contact to ensure the correct business card or account is reflected. For security, keep two-factor authentication enabled on your GoDaddy account and never share one-time codes or sensitive details with anyone. That's all there is to it. Click your profile icon, go to Account Settings, and open Payment Methods. From there, you're in the right place to manage your payment details whenever you need.